Are you serious?
Hit and run that ended up with a rollover and an epic chase.
Are you kidding me? Hold the over. Call 911. Call 911 now. Call 911.
Anyone else?
Stop her! Stop her! Stop her!
Hi, I'm on 42 South. I just got off by the Wendy's. We were involved in an accident with the car took off.
And then we just flipped. I flipped my car trying to
42.
get her.
Now we're on 40. We're on 41 right now.
Heading
Yes,
towards
right.
Runnymede.
Alright.
It's JMP
He said,
2059. Huh?
He said, hold on and wait for the state police.
It's JMP 2059. Stop her!
Hold on, hi, I'm driving and there's a car in front of us. The license plate is JPM 2059 and they rear-ended us.
And they're trying to run away.
They're trying to get away, but we're on.
Straight, no endurance.
No carbs.
So 0 carbs? Like
No. Like
just vegetables for carbs?
This driver cuts off other cars while driving in a construction zone.
On a low carb day, it'd be 50 to 75 grams of carbs.
Did you ever get your blood sugar checked to see
No.
if you're ketogenic? And no,
I don't do that.
It's interesting because I feel like it's very important to talk about that everybody's body is different.
Yeah.
You know who's a great
Imagine.
What the is wrong with you, stupid motherfucker?
Isn't forced to flip from station to station, avoiding commercials and trying desperately to find a signal. Where you're not forced to
You mother.
Bobby Hooper Tunnel, or right before Bobby Hooper Tunnel, going northbound.
Okay, so you're still north.
License plates DSP. I got you, buddy. DSP 926 is his license plate. He's in a red. Looks like he's in a red. Yeah, he's got Oklahoma tags. DSP 626.
D is in David.
Yeah, D is in David. SP 626. Red Malibu. And he's trying to run me off the road. This guy's going crazy. He went off across the we went in the construction zone going north on 540, and he crossed the barrels and was driving in the construction zone, then tried to run me off the road for no reason. Now he's like trying to run me off the road. He's harassing me, telling me to call the cops, rolling his window down, telling me to.
This driver didn't let a truck merge into the freeway, after which he got hit.
Do it, motherfucker. Do it. Do it. Oh, you did it now. You did it now. You did it now. I got you on tape, you dumb motherfucker. I got you on tape, you dumb motherfucker. I got you on tape, dumb motherfucker. I got you on tape. You ran right into me, motherfucker.
I came off the road. You had plenty of opportunity.
You ran right into me, motherfucker. You ran right into me. Now you're going to get your license taken away, motherfucker.
The driver of a white van stopped in the middle of a freeway for no apparent reason.
Hi.
Honey, what the hell?
Apparently he's stopping in the middle of the freeway. What the fuck? What the fuck, dude?
What the fuck? Oh my god.
What the fuck,
He's
dude?
got a knife or he's got something. Why is he getting out?
Why are you stopping in the middle of the freeway, dude?
Call 911.
Call 911. Call 911. Call 911 right now. Hey.
Let's go.
I'm
What
gonna.
a freak.
Psycho, man.
Fucking weirdo.
With their high beams on.
This driver didn't like being recorded on camera, so he got mad and decided to throw a couple of drinks at people.
Guy's gonna do it to this one.
Oh, now it's caught on camera. It's caught on camera. What? 954-6.
Back off, dude. Back off.
Conflict on the road that leads to a crash.
I just wrecked my car. This dude just cut me off and I just wrecked.